In this lesson, we're going to be looking at troubleshooting faces. So sometimes DALL-E has trouble with faces. I'm going to ask for an award-winning portrait of Albert Einstein, studio lighting, portrait photography. And let's see what we get. So these are actually pretty good. Let's maybe just pick the one that has some trouble, and let's download this, and we'll upload it to a face restoration website. Here we are at arctencent.com, and we can upload our image. Here we have our picture uploaded, and all you have to do is just literally drag this, and you can see it fixed our image. It's really incredible what you can do with this tool. So we're going to drag back. This is what DALL-E outputted. And then we go here, and you can see it cleaned up his eye there on the left. And it's just really impressive, the restoration that you can do with this.